What's going on, guys? 43 Bros back for another video. Today we're working on the Yerfdog. Today we're gonna do the steering box mod. So right now some of this stuff's already loose because we just did the ball joints in the last video and we didn't put everything back super tight. But as you can see, that is locked to the left. So there is just crappy turning on this. That's this way, and then to the right, it's just not enough. Not enough. When you're out riding this thing and you're trying to turn, you can't. You know, that's the common problem with all these Yerfdogs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the shaft out, and we are gonna add more notches to the rack. So that way there we can really turn this thing, and once we do that, we're going to dial in the alignment on it and realign the steering wheel, because that's showing so much straight. It's definitely not straight. So we're going to tackle that stuff. I'll set you guys up on the tripod and we'll get after it. So what we need to do is bring that down, and we need to tap it with the hammer. So give it a few taps. See if that left us any imprint, which it did. Okay, guys? So it's probably really hard to see. There you go. See that shiny notch? That's gonna be our first. That's going to be our first notch. We're basically just going to take the wheel and we're just going to cut and make a groove in there, and then we're going to file it out. I don't really know how this is going to go, so wish me luck. Quick update, guys. It's ugly as shit, but there's now 1, 2, 3, 4 notches. The last notch I'm still working on. I gotta start filing it, but this is hard. My advice is, if you're gonna do this, maybe take it to a machine shop and do it the right way, and have a bench vise, and, like, you know, maybe just somebody better equipped than this. So, but it does work. So you can see that factory teeth there, and my teeth, they look like shit, but it does work. And so basically what we're doing is we gotta file everything down, and then we grind some here, and then we slide this, and then we hit this with the hammer this side and hit it down, and what it does is it makes a score mark. It makes a score mark on the next, where the next notch would be. It's just tedious as hell, and you know, I'm doing this with a friggin' angle grinder and a cutoff wheel, and you know, hand stuff. It's brutal. 5, it's gonna get me about 3/4. 5 should get me about 3/4 of an inch or so. So I think I'm gonna do 5. That should be more than enough. I don't wanna run this thing. I don't wanna have this rack insanely long. So I think I think 5 is going to be the magic number. But, yeah. And Tyler, oh my god. It changed. Let's put it this way. If you have one of these go-karts and you're even thinking about doing it, shut up and do it. Just do it. This changed the whole... I mean, look at it. We added notches to the steering. Look at how... Before, it was like there. Yeah, maybe like that. Now... It's massive. It's same thing on this side. Yeah, it turns this way, literally right around. Like this far. It only had a couple notches. Now... It goes all the way. It goes all the way. It goes far. It'd be nice if this way had maybe one more notch. Yeah. We did... What, 2? 2 on one side and like 5 on the other. Wish if you guys do it, do 3 on this side. Yeah. Try and get just 1 more. Because that would have changed everything. We already have it back together, so it's good enough for now. I think at some point too, what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace these with Heims. And we're going to do one shorter than the other. So when we do that, maybe we'll just add that one more. Yeah, the steering, or we can center the steering. Yeah, we could probably center it, because we can make one shorter and one longer. Yeah. Yeah.